is happiness.
Kaya kayo mga binata dalaga na nalulungkot, parang kala nyo hindi kayo masaya wala kayo asawa. Maintindihan nyo ang kasiyahan pag nagpakasal na kayo.
Happiness is a state of mind.
Define it as any kind of pleasure we get that comes in response to some pleasant stimulation. It could be seeing your children grow up happy. It could be having an ice cream cone. It could be enjoying beautiful weather. It could be enjoying a difficult problem in mathematics. Enjoying all kinds of things, but you're enjoying it because there's something there that's bringing you enjoyment.
If you want to be happy, don't just party. Don't just call friends. Don't just drink more. Don't just eat more. Don't just go to an expensive rendezvous. Rather, make sure you forgive someone.
Makes you happy po? Ano po yung nakakapagpapasaya sa inyo?
I think, prayer.
Prayer. Pwede po, Bisaya.
Kasi, gumagaan po yung loob ko kapag nakapag-pray ako, ginasyan ko kay God ko. Gumagaan po siya lahat. Family ko. Kasi, sila yung araw ko nakakasama, na nakakasalamo. So, minsan may mga bagay din na sa kanila ko kayo masaya.
What makes you happy?
What makes me happy? I would say, what makes me happy the most is when I'm with my family and I'm with my friends. That's the time I feel my most happiest.
Why does it make you happy?
Why does it make me happy? Because I'm surrounded by the people that I love, and I'm surrounded by the people who I know supports me thick and thin, and who have seen me at my worst and my best.
What makes me happy? I believe that everyone has his own definition of happiness. My definition of happiness is anything that can contribute to my personal growth and fulfillment. As an educator and lifelong learner advocate, I am happy when my students learn something new, where I can see that they are happy with what they have just learned. As a person, I'm happy when I discover new things. For example, in FMO, so ang FMO malawak yung scope, so from civil works, electrical works, and then mechanical works, etc. So as a mechanical engineering practitioner, learning about construction, which is under civil works, is something fulfilling. In general, apart from physiological needs, safety, love and belonging, esteem, which have different level of satisfaction, we have also self-actualization. So anything that can contribute to my personal growth, professional development and fulfillment makes me happy. So I think that's all.
Lalo na po sa trabaho, kasama na. So, lagi lang daw ang think mo.
What makes me
so actually, marami. Okay. What makes me happy the most, of course, is when I am with my family. Pag complete kami kasi OFW ang husband ko. So every time na umuwi siya, so we are complete, no, as family. So happy moment talaga yun sa amin, no. And then, of course, when I am with my siblings also, complete din kami kasi for how many years na yung mga ano din kasi sila OFW, so ako lang naiiwan palagi sa ano, so kung kumpleto ko din kami, mga siblings ko, so happy moment din yun. Happy moment din kung nandito ako sa school, di ba? If I am teaching, so ang daming happy moments lang. Yun, if I am with my friends, so happy din.
Second question kay, why does it make you happy?
Why does it make me happy? Kasi nga ang happiness ko ang family ko. So pag we are together, so that makes me happy. If nag-bonding kami, if happy kasi yung kids ko, so happy din kami. Happy din ako as parent. Yun, if yung may mga accomplishment ang mga anak, so yun, magiging happy din ang parents.
Pasawa na anak. Ako, hindi mo kaya. Kaya pag uli sa biyahe, siyempre halubilo din yung mga pamilya, apo. Sugat mo ba? Kasi kayo mo paminaw yun. Apo na kay anak. Yan.